Welcome back, everyone. As you can see, there's no motor in the E36. Went ahead and got that thing pulled, sitting on the ground right here. It's all ready to get this transmission off, get the rear main seal replaced, throw it back together, and then we're probably just gonna throw it back into the car all off camera. Skip the boring stuff, and hopefully this thing's not gonna leak anymore. We're gonna fire it up and take it for another rip. All right, guys, there she is. Motor's back in the car. Just have a few accessories, harness, fuel lines, a couple more things to hook up, and then we'll be topping her off with oil, checking for leaks. We'll prime it with the AccuSump because that still has 3 quarts of brand new oil, and then we'll probably go for a rip. Guys, we got the motor topped off with fluids. Next step, I need to either buy a new battery or take those ones up to get charged because I no longer have a battery charger, and this thing's battery got left in the other Subi, and it got left on. So I'm gonna charge the battery and then fire it up, check for leaks. It's already sat overnight with oil in it and not a single drop, so everything's looking good so far. All right, as you can see, the car is out of the shop. It is all together. It's not dripping. Full disclosure though, I have drove it a bunch already. I drove it to work at least 3 or 4 days in a row. Haven't really had any issues other than I need to get it tuned. I have random lean spikes, just like when I'm letting off throttle. And then I need to take fuel cell foam out and put a bunch of wiffle balls in there. And eventually I still need to upgrade the transmission because it makes some weird noises every once in a while. Clutch is super chattery. So I think I'm gonna upgrade that to like a sprung clutch of some sort. I don't know, down the road. You'll see here in a minute. But I did go ahead and get this GoPro mounted in there so we can get some in-car footage driving it to work today. And we'll see how that turns out. So let's get right to it. First attempt with the GoPro didn't end up so well. It was moving around on its own, but I'm gonna make a better mount in there and try again. I just need to order some meta glasses or something. Alrighty guys, I honestly have been failing at getting in-car footage. However, we are about to take this thing on the longest drive we've taken it on yet. We're gonna take it all the way to Redmond, about 30 minutes away from here. We're gonna go to a Cars and Coffee. It's gonna be over at Beamer Network. So we'll see if we can't get a couple clips. We got to go pick up one of my buddies. He's going to ride with us. And then we'll see you guys at the meet. LS car driving back from the meet. It's fucking mint. Got some weird noises coming from the tranny, but that was to be expected. Nothing new. Alrighty guys, as you kind of seen, I know I didn't record much, but the meet went great. The car did good. We did get some whining noises every once in a while, And then I got major camber wear just from an hour of driving on these. Let's see if you can see that. There and there. And then you see the little dings in my rim. That is due to big rocks like that being higher than my tire down there. So unfortunately that sucks. All good though. Car's doing good. We're gonna order camber plates, fix that issue, and then probably get a ZF trans locked in eventually, just so we don't have to worry about the tranny blowing up. And I know I'm not doing very good on the GoPro footage or like in-car video. I think I'm gonna order some meta glasses just to make that all a lot easier.